This is part 3 of disassembling and repairing the 1959 Smith's clock. Take this assembly on the back off. There's a lot of oil in this clock. It needs cleaned. Clocks should be serviced about every 5 years. Over time, the oil dries up. This piece here goes with the screw because it covers up this pivot. You got your pallet fork here that has 2 little pins on it. Your escape wheel. I don't know if you can see all that dirt and grime in it. There's a lot of dirt and grime all over this. I do have a nut driver for this job. I don't know why I'm not using it. I think I do. No, one size too small, one size too big. So I'll loosen it with my pliers, and then I'll take the nut driver and take that off. Even though it's not the right size, the pressure behind it will loosen it up, as you can see. And then I could slide this out, maybe. Not yet. I take more of the clock apart. Normally you could slide this out, but not in this case. I need to go ahead and take the these rack and snail assembly off before I go any further. I don't want to knock my camera off, so stand by. I got the little clip loose, so now I could take it off. I didn't want to. I got my camera sitting right in front of me, and I didn't want to knock my camera off, putting all the pressure on. Putting all the pressure. Here's the little clip, a little bit different than a cuckoo clock. And I can take the rack off. Already got the washer off for the here's the snail, and here's the minute drive pinion. The rack stop lever and the lift lock lever are held on by little bent pins, by bent tabs, bent little pins. So I need to take those off. Same way over here for the lift lock lever. I can actually take the movement apart without taking those off. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Take these nuts off. I should gather another socket for the bigger parts. All these tools that I put together are mainly working on cuckoo clocks. But I know how to work on other clocks too. I just been focused on cuckoo clocks the last few years. It hasn't been taken apart in such a long time that this wheel here doesn't want to come out of the hole. There we go. but as you can see, it is extremely dirty. This is the most important part of the clock. Timing is this right here, and this is actually doing extremely well. I'm gonna brush it up, clean it up a little bit, but you don't want to damage this type of escape platform. But we're gonna put all these parts in the cleaner, and prior to putting them in the cleaner, I'm gonna take a brush and clean off all the dirt, because as I said before, your cleaner is like a dishwasher, and you want to pre-wash the dishes prior to taking the dishes, putting your dishes in the dishwasher, and you want to pre-wash your parts prior to putting them in your ultrasonic cleaner. That way you don't have to change out your fluid as much. But we'll be back.